Hi everybody, today I will tell you about descriptive speech. If you don't understand what descriptive speech is I will explain to you what descriptive speech is Basically, speech is the activity of speaking in the public or giving speeches about order to express one opinions or give a picture of something. Then the notion of the descriptive speech itself is a speech that aims to describe a situation. This occasion, I will provide an overview about information about the average amount of the salt in the human's body. Elemental sodium is one of the electrolytes. As an electrolyte, sodium has a function to help muscle and nerve function. Nerve cells need electrical signal called nerve impulses in order to communicate with other cells. Elemental sodium is a chemical element in the periodic table which has the symbol Na and atomic number 11. For the human body, sodium is very important as and has a benefit for the human body, one of which is salt. Salt is high sodium content because humans are too high to consume it appropriately. If a human consumes this high sodium content, the human body will be at risk or the triggering various kidney stone disease and high blood pressure. Kidney stone in the disease can occur because humans eat food too high in a salt. Then the body is excess salt. The kidneys in the body have to filter out too high amount the calcium, so that the kidney work hard in the filtering process. It can have impact in the human body's blood, so that the calcium turns solid or crystallized and forms a stone clot which has an effect to blocking the flow of the human blood. High blood pressure occurs due to excessive intakes of salt in the body. This making the walls of artery depressed. When the artery will be compressed and thickened, so that the wall becomes narrower and the blood pressure increases. Average, the average adult human's body contains about 250 grams of salt, which is more than half of pounds. The average salt in an adult human's body has as much as 256 grams of NaCl, which is equivalent to 100 grams of elemental sodium. The average salt for an adult human is 256 grams of sodium chloride or NaCl, which is equivalent to 100 grams of elemental sodium. Then the normal serum sodium level is 310 until 340 milligrams per deciliter. Usually 200 until 500 sodium is needed by the body every day, so that the salt level in the blood remains normal. If you don't have enough salt, your body will experience an electrolyte imbalance. The cause is hyponatremia. Hyponatremia is an electrolyte disorder condition when the level of sodium in the blood is lower than normal. Normal sodium level are 135 to 145 milliequivalent per liter. Then it is said to be less normal if the sodium level is less than 135 milliequivalent per liter. The conclusion is every human being must have a salt content in his body. If you don't have enough salt, your body will experience an electrolyte imbalance, so that the blood content is lower than normal. If the salt content in your body increases, the blood pressure in your body will become high and there will be narrowing the artery wall. So that the blood circulation that runs will be blocked and not smooth. For this reason, the average salt for adult human is 256 grams of sodium chloride or NaCl, which is equivalent to 100 grams of elemental sodium. So that's all from me. Thanks for your attention.